the Empress Hotel. You know, the home of the high tea. They've got some banana plants in there. And it's roped off nowadays. So I guess they don't want tourists in there. Or dogs. So we're not going to go in there. We're going to head up to Chinatown, which is up that street. That's part of the hotel too. This is Government Street. Of course, there's Government House. It's pedestrian. It's blocked off the cars, at least for now. I see a bus up there, so. But it's full of shops and restaurants and bars and everything, including the Spirit of Victoria. Now remember, the prices are in Canadian dollars, which are about 65% of American dollars. So this jacket is $40, be about 30 US, if I'm not mistaken. And they have an upstairs. And a lot of things. Even some handmade bracelets in little jars.
This is Chinatown.
And there's the gate. That's the entrance to Chinatown officially, although these buildings look like they're part of Chinatown also. So it's the whole area, several blocks in each direction. Come across, got 8 seconds. Look at. So there'll be more shops, more restaurants, and more bars. Although I think a lot of the restaurants will be Chinese food. So it is marked, but it is an alley. Just, I see a red door. Okay. Right? And on the alley there's shops and restaurants and bars. Heart's Content, Best of Both Worlds, Turtle Express Designs, Triple Spiral, Educate. Oh, this is the Victoria Chinatown Museum. Turntable, record store. Whoa. Stick that in there. And then come over here.
Okay, just hold. Yeah. Oops, sorry.
So record store. CDs. Records. Disraeli Gears. Huh. Pearl Jam. New York City. Hey, the Let It Be box set. 5 LP edition. I have the original. I don't know if I've ever seen an umbrella store before. Now, you can go out that way, or you can see more stores by going this way. And a candy shop, I believe. Organic fair trade chocolate, yeah. And a coffee shop, I guess. Now Government Street is right there. And the McPherson Playhouse is right there. So we just made a big loop. I'm going to see how far we can get along the shore here. Let's check out a map. You are here. Well, I don't think I'm in the water. See, there's Wharf Street. There's the Empress. So, maybe? Got some graffiti. Oh, fancy graffiti. Well, I guess we can walk a little ways along the water. Wow, even construction going on down here. Way across there, that's Fisherman's Wharf, right in the middle of the screen, approximately. And are these just building a building here, a floating building? I guess they have to be built, right? I don't know if it's going to be a home and go somewhere else. Maybe this is the floating home factory, right? Here's a restaurant. Called Lido Bistro. And the BC whale watching tours. Hi, how much is the 2:30 whale watching?
The 230, well, it would be $169 plus taxes and fees, but we do have the $10 off right now.
So 159.
So 159
Canadian though.
Yes. Plus fees. Plus taxes and fees.
So 100 or so US, right?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, and then the only thing I will say is the 230. We don't quite have enough people booked on it, so
it may not go.
Yeah, I don't think that one's going to go today. But we do have a morning tour tomorrow, which does have enough.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Whale sightings guaranteed. She said it's 169 Canadian, but that the 230 may not go because there's not enough people in it. And I think we'll be back on the ship at 2:30. That's Wharf Street up there. I hear a seaplane, a float plane, I think. This is a busy joint. I don't see a... Wow, look at the line to order. Redfish, bluefish. Whoa! This is a private facility, no public washrooms available.
What's the attraction?
Food?
Looks good.
Oh, really?
Fish and chips.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Now we are officially back to the inner harbor. There's some whale watching and gift shops, restaurants, Milestones, Grill and Bar. That's the Fairmont Empress, right? Here's a water taxi stop. A lot of tour things. Prince of Wales, see that boat, the yellow one? Of course, if you go up there, you're on Wharf. Well, this is where Wharf becomes Government Street. Government runs down Beacon Hill Park to Ogden Point and then back to the ship. Now there's more people down here selling stuff. Oh, the ferry's leaving. Hope you didn't miss it.